Use a rotary phone. In this lesson, you will learn how to make and receive calls on your new and improved rotary phone. Step 1. Pick up your phone receiver. Listen for a dial tone. Step 2. Dial the number for the person you want to reach. Must be a 5-digit number, may include letters. Step 3. Listen to the phone ring until the person picks up. Answering phone calls. When your phone rings, simply pick up the receiver. There will be no operator on the line. The person contacting you will be immediately available. Calling the operator. If you need help, the operator is always available by picking up the receiver and dialing 0. Now you know how to make and receive calls as well as contact the operator. Created with work by Eni Augustine.